Hello students, now today's our topic aim. To find the weight of a given body using parallelogram law of vectors. Today's our topic, we want to find the weight of a body, its unknown weight, with the help of parallelogram law of vectors. It is a practical of class +1 subject physics. ਸਾਡਾ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਏਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਰੇਲਿਓਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਲਾ ਆਫ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, weight of a given body किया मेजर करना है. And second thing, it is also the verifications, practical verifications of a parallelogram law of vectors. Now apparatus, first of all we will be discuss what is the apparatus used in this practical. Gravesend apparatus, slotted weights, thread, two hangers, a spring balance, drawing pin, sharp pencil, plane, mirror step, half meter scale, set square and protector. We can also use a protector as well as compass. A stone with the hook. Now student, we will be discuss the theory of this practical. Parallelogram law of forces. What it states? It states that if two forces acting simultaneously on a body can be represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, then their resultant is completely represented both in magnitude and direction by the diagonals of the parallelogram passing through the point of intersection of these two sides. Now it says that if two forces acting simultaneously means two forces acting on a body at the same time can be represented in magnitude and direction. The forces have magnitude as well as directions, can be represented by the two sides. These forces are represented by the two sides of a parallelogram adjacent, drawn from a point. Then their resultant is completely represented both in magnitude and direction. Their resultant can be represented which have magnitude as well as direction when the two forces acting on a body who have the magnitude and a direction represented by the two sides of a parallelogram, both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the point of intersection of these two sides. Now two forces I have represented by AB forces P, AD forces Q simultaneously acting on a body represented by the two sides of parallelograms drawn from a point having both have the magnitude as well as the direction. Their resultant is represented by the diagonals of the parallelogram which have magnitude as well as direction. Now in Punjabi ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਵੀ ਦੋ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਸਮੇਂ 'ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੋਡੀ 'ਤੇ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਗਨੀਟਿਊਡ ਤੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਦਿਸ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਬਾਈ ਦਾ ਟੂ ਐਡਜੇਸੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਭੁਜਾਵਾਂ ਆਫ ਕਿਹਦੀਆਂ ਪੈਰਲੀਓਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਡਰਾਨ ਫਰੋਮ ਏ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੋ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਕੀ ਆ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਗਨੀਟਿਊਡ ਵੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਐਡਜੇਸੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਭੁਜਾਵਾਂ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਕਿਹਦੀਆਂ ਪੈਰਲੀਓਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਡਰਾਨ ਫਰੋਮ ਏ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ then their resultant is completely पूरी तरह ਨਾਲ रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਆ ਦਿਸ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਆ both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal ਕੀ ਆ that is a AC of parallelogram passing through the point of intersection of these two sides passing through the point of intersection जिथे दोनों भुजावां किया हो मीट कर दियाँ passing through the point of intersection of these two sides. Now we will be use the formula to find this resultant that is p square plus q square plus 2p q cos of theta. Now what is cos theta? Angle between AB and AD, angle between adjacent sides I have represented with red color, this red color. Now R equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta ਦਾ square root ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਆ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ to find the resultant, to find the AC diagonals of parallelogram during the practical. Now we will start the practical. We conduct 3 readings and then we will take the mean. Now you have to watch carefully how I am doing this practical. Now students, we are performing the practicals. Now this is our gravesand apparatus, slotted weights and body whose weight we have to be find. Now all the forces are in equilibriums. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਲੈਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਫੋਰਸਾਂ ਕੀ ਆ 1 2 and 3 in equilibrium ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ now how we will be take the readings. This is the mirror tips and sharp as pencils. You inserted the mirror tip behind the string, behind the thread. When the string and its image cover properly, you mark the 2 points at the leading edge of mirror steps. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਰਰ ਸਟੈਪ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਧਾਗੇ ਦੇ ਮਗਰ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਸ਼ੀਟ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਅੱਖ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਥਰੈਡ ਦੀ ਅਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਇਮੇਜ ਆ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਸੇਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ then you will mark these 2 points. Now watch carefully how I am doing. Now I am inserting the mirror tips मैं मिरर स्ट्रिप नूं की करता है, रख देता है. नाउ आई एम एडजस्टिंग माई आईज सो थ्रेड and its image cover properly, then I will mark the points. Now here and second point is here. Similarly, I am inserting on the left hand side. And now left hand side and right hand side I have marked the points. Now on the third side mark here point and here. So all the point have marked. Now you will be taken out the slotted weights and meet all the points with the pencil. This is our first reading. ये साडी की सी पहली रीडिंग सी. मेरे स्ट्रिप नूं मैं इस तरह विच रखिया जिथे धागा ਅਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ इमेज ਜਿਹੜੀ बन रही है एक सेध ਵਿੱਚ आ जाती है, उत्थे मैं इन्हां नूं मार्क कर. Now second step, you roughly write down what is the weight on both sides. 50 50 50 50, that is 200 gram on this side, mark it P, and 200 gram on right hand side, mark it Q. This is our first reading. Adopting the same process, I will be take 3 reading. ਹੁਣ मैं 3 रीडिंगां लऊँगा and while changing the weight left hand side, right hand side or maybe on both side. ਖੱਬੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ weight ਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ ਵੱਧ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਅਗਲੀਆਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ. Now I will be remove gently the slotted weights and change the sheet. Now students, I am taking the second reading. I have changed the sheet. ड्राइंग शीट मैं चेंज कर चुका हाँ. Now gently I inserted the 50 gram on this hand side and positions of strings will be changed, and adopting the same process I will be use the mirror strips and the pencils, mark the points. Now look carefully, you have to watch carefully what I am doing. Now I am inserting gently 50 gram on this side. मैं 50 ग्राम इस साइड पा रहा हूँ. Now you have seen, observed the position of strings have changed. Now adopting the same process, I inserted the mirror strips behind the strings, adjust my eyes, and when the string and its image formed in the mirror strip cover properly, then I mark the sign. And you have be notice your pencil properly sharp. So I have marked the points and little bit I will be round it. Now on this side Again, insert the mirror strips and mark the point. Now, on the third side, now I have taken the second reading. Now gently I will be remove the weight and change the sheet. ਅਸੀਂ second reading ਲੈ ਲਈਏ, then I will be change the weight, but prior you have mentions roughly value of P, that is weight on this side 200 gram, and value of Q means right hand side 250 gram. This is my second reading I have mentioned on the drawing sheet. Now I will be take the third reading while changing this weight. Now students, I will be taking the third reading, and you have to be remember while doing this experiment, error exists. The main reasons behind the error, that is the friction force exists in the pulleys. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਥਿਓਰੈਟੀਕਲ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜੋ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ weight ਆ ਜੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਬੋਡੀ ਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਆ? ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ, ਰਗੜ ਵਾਲਾ ਇਹ ਪੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ। At the end of the practical, we will be observe the error and percentage of error. Now, adopting the same process, I am taking the third reading. Right hand side weight is 250 and left hand side weight is 200 gram. Now in this side I am inserting 50 gram gently and mark the sign as I have done prior. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਸਾਈਡ ਕੀ ਆ 50 ਗ੍ਰਾਮ weight ਪਾਵਾਂਗਾ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੋ, ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ, ਮਾਰਕ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ। Now you watch carefully. I am inserting now 50 gram weight on this side. Now you have observed the positions of the string have been changed. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ 50 ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਇੱਧਰ ਪਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਆ ਜੋ ਸਟ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਸੋ taking the mirror strips and the sharp pencils, I am marking the points. Adjust my eyes. ਇੱਕ ਅੱਖ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਸਟ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਧਾਗੇ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੈਡੋ ਦੇਖ ਇਮੇਜ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇਮੇਜ ਤੇ ਸਟ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਵਰ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਰਕ ਲਗਾ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ। ਮੈਂ ਮਾਰਕ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ। And on this side also Now I have taken near about all the 3 readings. 3 रीडिंग मैं लगभग ले जा चुकिया वा, 3 रीडिंग मैं ले लिया ने. Now roughly mention the weight, that is P equal to 250 gram and Q also 250 gram. Now we will be remove the sheets and complete the parallelograms. I will be tell you how will we complete the parallelogram later on. Now students, complete the parallelogram of first reading. हुण मैं पहला parallelogram पूरा करन जा रहा. Now meet the points carefully and from here meet these 2 points. Now here 2 lines meet. Now also meet these 2 points carefully. Now remove the extra lines with eraser. Now important adjustment of this practical. I consider 50 gram equal to 1 centimeter. मैं 50 ग्राम नूं 1 सेंटीमीटर मान लिया. Now here on this side weight is 200 gram. So distance from here to along this direction, what will be 50 gram 1 centimeter, 200 gram, that is a 4 centimeter. So from here with the help of scale, that is 4 centimeter. Now here is a 0.4 centimeter. On this side weight is also 200 gram. So along this side I also make a point on this line, that is a 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now A, B point, and here is point will be C, here is point D. Now open the compass, one tap on point A and other on B. From here put the tip at point D. D ते मैं प्रकार रख देती है and make a arc. एक arc लगा देती. Now this is also equal, that is a 4 centimeter. Now from here again make the arc. This is our point C. Join CD carefully, CD and BC. Also make the diagonal AC. This is our resultant. Now first case ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ जो parallelogram ਸੀ ਉਹ complete हो गया and we want to find the value of this R. Now it have two method. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਦੋ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨੇ. Whether we measure the graphical, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ graphical measure ਕਰਕੇ weight measure ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. But I am using the formula in 3 cases, that is R equal to P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ cos of theta. Now, how will we find theta? Now, this angle between adjacent lines means AB and AD, this is angle theta. A वाला angle मेरे को की है theta है. I choose this reference line and with the help of a protector, I will find it and put here. So, this is my reference line and angle becomes 0, 10, 20, 50 degree. So, in first case, theta is a 50 degree. I will be put here. R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ cos 50 degree. Rest of the part I will be solve on the white board. Now, I am taking the second parallelogram reading. Second parallelogram reading I will be take. How? Adopting the same process, meet the points. I am taking second reading. Now meet the points carefully and also these 2 points. And meet the rest of the 2 points. Now, right hand side, that is Q 250 gram, left hand side 200 gram. Now, 50 gram equal to 1 centimeter. So, this side becomes that is 50 gram 1 centimeter and 250 gram, that is a 250 gram equal to 5 centimeter. 100 gram 2 centimeter, 200 gram 4 centimeter, 250 gram 5 centimeter. So I put the scale on this point and it becomes 5 centimeter here. This is point A, this is point B, and it's a 5 centimeter. But on left hand side, that is 200 gram, I am taking 4 centimeter because 50 gram 1 centimeter and 200 gram, that is a 4 centimeter. Now it is on you. It's your choice. You can take 50 gram equal to 2 centimeter as your convenience. ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. 50 ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਨੂੰ 2 ਸੈਂਟੀਮੀਟਰ ਵੀ ਮੰਨ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵੀ ਮੰਨ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਬਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਯੂਅਰ ਪੈਰਲੇਲੋਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪੈਰਲੇਲੋਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਪੂਰਾ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. ਨਾਓ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ 4 centimeter. Now again open the compass up to 5 centimeter from here. Now place this point and mark the arc. Again open the compass 4 centimeter and from here mark the arc. Now join the points from here and this point also. A, B, C, D. Also draw the diagonals. Now we will find the value of theta with the help of the protractor. Now in this case angle theta is 80 degree. Angle theta is 80 degree. So theta in this case that is 80 degree. So formula of R, this is our R. R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos of 80 degree. Value of P, that is our P, this is our Q. Now P is here, I will be put the values later on. Now I am taking the third reading. Now I am taking the third readings drawing sheet. So joining the points carefully. And also joining these 2 points. And join the rest of the 2 points. Now remove the extra lines. Now in this case, right hand side 250 gram. I am taking 50 gram equal to 1 centimeter. So that's why 250 gram equal to 5 centimeter. And left hand side also 5 centimeter. So with the help of the scale, I cut the line. This is my point A. From A 5 centimeter. Now here is 5 centimeter. And on this side also 5 centimeter. So with the help of the compass, open it 5 centimeter. Now mark the arc because both sides are equal. So 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Complete the parallelogram. Joining these points, join this point and this point also. Now make the diagonals. This is our angle theta and this is our resultant point A, point B, C and D. Now we will find the angle theta with the help of a protractor. Now this angle 90 degree. So theta in this case, that is a 90 degree. So value of R equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos of theta. Now we will take the mean of resultant after solving this. So in this case, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos of 90 degree. So I have 3 readings, second reading and first reading. Now there are 2 methods to get the result. साढ़े कोले 2 तरीके ने अननोन वेट मेजर करने. एक तो साढ़े कोले आ वाला वा जो फार्मूला से यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ द कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू. दूसरा हैगा साढ़े कोले graphical method, but I will be use the calculated value. Then we will take the mean and then we will be check the percentage of error. We will be also weighing our, this is the brick piece. You can take the stones also and other any body of unknown weight. I will be weighing it with the spring balance. मैं उस spring balance ना measure करूँगा. Then we will be see what is our percentage of error. मैं उस spring balance नाल भी मापूँगा भी इहदा किन्ना भार आ ते calculated value भी देखांगा. फिर असी देखांगे कि साडे एक्सपैरीमेंट दे विच कितनी एरर आई है। Now students, this is my spring balance and here weight in gram measures and it have 5 divisions, means each division is equal to 20 gram. Now I am weighing the weight of this brick piece which we have used during the practical. Now let us see what is its weight. आ मेरे कोल एक स्प्रिंग बैलेंस आ जिहड़ा 1 kg तक की आ मेजरमेंट दिंदा है एंड ईच डिवीजन कितनी आ 20 ग्राम दे इक्वल है। नाउ आई एम वेइंग द वेट। I inserted it and now let us see, and it becomes 360 gram, means you check 20 40 60 and weight by the spring balance of a brick piece which we have used during the practical, that is a 360 gram. Now students, we have taken the 3 readings on the drawing sheets and after that it's time to be calculations. So formula used are equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos of theta. Now I am taking R1 for the first case. In this case p is 200 gram, q 200 gram, theta equal to 50 degree. After putting the value I get the result R1, that is 362.52 gram. Similarly for second case R2 346.20 gram, and for the third case P is 250, Q 250 gram, theta 90. After putting the value R3 equal to 353.55 gram. मैं R1, R2, R3 ਦੀ वैल्यू कैलकुलेटेड मैथड ਦੇ ਨਾਲ जो फार्मूला से यूज़ करते हैं ਉਹਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਕੱਢ ਲਈਏ। Now I am taking the mean value of unknown weight, that is R1, R2, R3 over 3, and it becomes R equal to 354.09 gram, approximately 354 gram. Now percentage error, I have already tell you why the percentage why the error exists. Due to the frictions, main reason is due to the friction force present in the pulleys, and it may be possible the weight error जो साढ़े कोल weight होंदा है वो may be थोड़ा मोटा या ज़्यादा या थोड़ा कम आप कह दिए भी during the manufacturing वो भी थोड़ी जी error हो गई, और otherwise using the mirror step उदो साढ़े कोल कोई error हो गई हो भी, but main error होंदी है due to the friction force. Now percentage error, mean unknown weight of a given body, that is approximately 354 gram. I am excluding the value of 0.09, मैं वो वैल्यू हटा देती है 354.09 की बजाय मैं लिख रहा 354 ग्राम। तुसी विद द पॉइंट नाल भी कर सकते हो। फॉर माई कन्वीनियंस I am taking 354 gram. The unknown weight of a given body by a spring balance, that is y equal to 360 gram. Now the difference, that is 6 gram. So percentage error 1.6%. So साडा जो practical सी वो success होया because the error is very small.